Good morning, everybody. A little bit early this Sunday morning that I'm trying to get ready. My insulin pump is, of course, acting up already. I'm getting ready to go and do a little bit of shopping with my mom. And I'm going to use the Too Faced chocolate gold palette. I've had it for a while, but I just haven't used it yet. Trying to get some light in the room. My makeup mirror light is no good. Keeps going out on me. So I need some help with my intro, like the graphics and stuff. It's not my thing. I'm not that great at it. I'm gonna put. So I'm looking for anyone that can help me. So I'm gonna go in with the primer potion from Urban Decay. I've been using for some time now. My face is so broke out. See how puffy I am. This morning I woke up, I was swollen everywhere. My hands were swollen, my face was swollen. Get my brushes together. And every intention of getting myself ready, out the door, on the road to Williamsburg, but it didn't happen. I got up and ready and out the door. I just didn't make it to Williamsburg with Mom. You'll probably hear me talk about that in the video before you see this one. I was having issues this morning. I couldn't figure out. It's one of those mornings when you can't figure out what to do first. I'm like, okay, I'll put my makeup on. Now I'm going to put my earrings on. Now I'm going to put my makeup on. Now I'm going to wear one earring the entire video. You'll see this. That has been the day I've had. So this is what the palette looks like. I really just used some neutral colors this time. I'm going to go into Rolling in Dough to set down that primer on my eyes. And then I'm going to go into So Bougie for my transition shade. Betsy? No. We're filming. I mean, we're voiceovering. No talking during voiceovering. And after that, I'm going to go in with Cocoa Truffle and put that in the crease just to add some dimension. Betsy. Come here. Come here, Pickle. Hi, buddy. What are we doing? Huh? Mommy putting her makeup on? So I'm going to go in with Classy and Sassy and put that on my eye with my finger. I really like the way that looked. Betsy's barking because he wants Oko to come off of the couch and play. She ain't having it. I'm really not flipping you people off. I always do that. I use my middle finger. I don't know why. And then I'm pretty sure I go in with, I don't know. I think it was Holla for a Dollar, but we're going to see. Pickle. No. I might just, I can't remember if I go in with something else. Nope. I must, there's another shade in here called Holla for a Dollar. No, I'm sorry. Love and Cocoa. That's a little bit darker than that Classy and Sassy. That's the MAC Strobe Cream. I have so many samples of that stuff. Every time you order from MAC, they give you samples, which is wonderful. There's so many. Okay, so this is the Giorgio Armani, it's called Sheer Fluid. What I didn't know at the time that I was putting it on my face was this is something that either you mix with foundation or you put on under foundation. But it didn't imply that on the sample. I could have looked it up. But I basically used it. This is in the shade number 2. I basically used it on my face and then just put some setting powder on it. And I know that sounds crazy. Like, I looked probably like a glow ball. I didn't. It was beautiful, and it made my skin, I thought, look flawless. Sometimes I think the more foundation I use, the heavier coverage, the worse I look. But I don't know. You tell me. It was a bit of a glow ball today, but my skin felt healthy. Like, it felt good. It didn't feel dried out or anything. So I was trying to look on it to see if it had a shade on it or anything. I didn't know until I actually looked it up later that day, or earlier today, later after this, what it was. I also used the Bobbi Brown concealer. This is in medium. I'm just trying to use up some of the samples I got. Betsy, please. We're not barking. Hey, no. Come here. We're not barking. So I put this under my eye and on my nose and forehead. I normally highlight. which is funny because I didn't have any foundation on to be highlighting. That's alright. We all make mistakes. You're a very cute boy. I should know better than to talk to him. So I'm going to set this down with my Hourglass Ambient Powder. I wonder if I would have seen a difference had I had the light on my mirror working. That would have been interesting to see. So I'm just going to put some chocolate souffle on. I really do look like I beat myself to death with that brush. Of course, you guys saw my hair down with this look when I filmed on the way to go shopping with Mom. So I got a little sample of those Hourglass Vanishing Highlighting Sticks. I think the sample is hard to judge it. I'm just not that good with cream stuff. One or the other. I had that stuff everywhere. And I tried to, like, blot it out with my blending sponge, or whatever that thing's called, beauty sponge. Didn't work for me. It kind of sat where you put it. Now, that may be because I had already put a powder on. Maybe not. I do just fine with a powdered highlighter. I don't need all that craziness. So, and then I'm gonna go in with my MAC blush in Mocha. It's a matte finish. I was just all backwards today. And then I'm going to go in and do my eyes. You guys have seen me do this so many times. I'm just going to put a little bit of pencil on it to fill in where I have no brows. And then we'll put some Gimme Brow from Benefit on it. Nope, that's going to be too much. You're going to look like an angry person again. Just you look a little bit angry there. And then we'll put some of the Too Faced. Oh, actually, I'm gonna put the Cocoa Truffle under my eyes first. Boy, I make awful faces when I'm not talking to you guys. I do much better talking to you guys while I'm doing this. I'm going to get a little brush and put some of the gold dipped on my inner corner. And I think now I'll go, is when I go in and do the little highlight with the pencil from Too Faced. I'll put our Ciate London mascara on. I don't know what I'm gonna do when this thing completely dries out. It's really saved me from wearing lashes, because I have pretty long eyelashes. I never curl them, by the way. I need to. The good thing about filming all this is that I do see it takes me exactly 20 minutes, or nearly 20 minutes, to put all my makeup on. And then I'm going to go in with the Milani Amore Shine in Addiction on my lips. I'm telling you, the formula is fabulous on this. Especially if you feel like liquid lipstick dries your lips down a lot and that gloss is a little bit too glossy. This is kind of right in the middle. And then I put my Cover FX spray on. Alright guys, so I hope that you like this look. It's kind of my first impression. Look at Butsy. Isn't he so cute? A face full of first impressions. Alright, have a great Sunday. Mwah.